Adobe CC Desktop App 101, Adobe Creative Cloud Uninstaller. Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop App is a centralized hub for managing your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and accessing all the applications and services included in your plan. Here's a detailed overview. Features. 1. Application Management. The desktop app allows you to download, install, update, and manage all the Adobe Creative Cloud applications included in your subscription. 2. Creative Cloud Libraries. You can access and manage your Creative Cloud libraries, which store assets like colors, graphics, and text styles for use across Adobe applications. 3. Cloud Storage. Creative Cloud Desktop App provides cloud storage for syncing files across devices and collaborating with team members. 4. Font Management. You can browse, install, and manage Adobe fonts, formerly Typekit, directly within the desktop app. 5. Sync Settings. Sync your preferences, presets, and settings across Adobe applications on different devices. 6. Behance Integration. Showcase your work on Behance, Adobe's online platform for creative professionals, and share it directly from the desktop app. 7. Creative Cloud Market. Access a collection of high-quality assets like templates, images, icons, and brushes from within the app. Cons. 1. Resource intensive. The Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop App can consume significant system resources, especially during updates and syncing operations, which may slow down your computer. 2. Limited offline functionality. While you can work offline with Adobe applications once they're installed, some features of the Creative Cloud Desktop App require an internet connection, such as syncing files and accessing cloud-based services. 3. Occasional bugs and glitches. Users may encounter occasional bugs, glitches, or performance issues with the desktop app, though Adobe regularly releases updates to address these issues. Known issues and fixes. 1. Installation problems. If you encounter issues with installing or updating Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop App, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, or use Adobe's Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove any corrupted installations. 2. Syncing errors. If files fail to sync or you encounter errors with cloud storage, try signing out and signing back into the Creative Cloud Desktop App, or check Adobe's status page for any ongoing service disruptions. 3. Performance issues. To improve performance, you can adjust settings within the desktop app to control how often it checks for updates or syncs files, and ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Advanced tips for getting started. 1. Customize preferences. Explore the preferences settings in the Creative Cloud Desktop app to customize its behavior, such as controlling auto updates, sync settings, and notifications. 2. Utilize cloud storage. Take advantage of cloud storage to back up your work and access it from any device with an internet connection. 3. Stay updated. Keep the Creative Cloud Desktop app and all Adobe applications up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features and bug fixes. 4. Explore additional features. Dive deeper into features like Creative Cloud Libraries, Adobe Fonts, and Creative Cloud Market to enhance your workflow and creative projects. Alternatives. While there isn't a direct alternative to the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app, some alternatives offer similar functionalities for managing software subscriptions and files across devices. 1. GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop is a tool for managing GitHub repositories and collaborating on software projects. While not a direct alternative to Creative Cloud Desktop app, it provides version control and collaboration features for developers. 2. Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud storage service that allows you to sync files across devices and collaborate with others. While it doesn't offer the same integration with Adobe applications, it provides similar file syncing capabilities. 3. Google Drive. Google Drive offers cloud storage and file syncing similar to Dropbox, with the added benefit of integration with Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, apps like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Overall, Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app is a convenient tool for managing your Adobe subscription and accessing Adobe applications and services, but it's essential to be aware of its limitations and potential issues.